Hey everyone, so today I'll be doing a short layered haircut. This is going to be a little bit shorter than usual, but I figured let me do something creative and give you a couple of different camera angles. And now I'm starting off right in the back. And for most haircuts, I like to start off right on the base, which is basically, cutting the neck area. How long is it going to be throughout that nape area? And I'm going fairly short on this. All of it's done by hand, and I'm just going to be taking diagonal sections going back, just in the back of the head, and creating that layered shape throughout the bottom half, and I then work my way upwards. Depending on the haircut that I'm doing, it all really depends on really where I want to start, to be honest with you. So in this particular situation, I'm as you can see, I'm working my way going from the bottom and working my way up. And I usually tend to do this when I go shorter, especially if there's a bit longer hair. And the whole thing about this, and if you're trying to do this at home, it's almost literally impossible. There's no way you can cut the back of your head like this, in my opinion, like doing it by hand. I know a lot of you want to know how to cut hair like this yourself, but this is years and years and years of doing haircuts, and it's not the easiest doing it yourself, especially with shorter hair. And what I'm really doing now is I'm really trying to just continue to follow that head shape and bring those layers in and just connect everything. Most haircuts, it's all really about connection. Connecting the layers all together, and that is what gives you a seamless look. I tend to cut everything pretty much out from the head, which is my TCS, top corner sides method. I do have a course on that. If you go to TheSalonGuy.com or courses.TheSalonGuy.com, you'll see my newest course, which is the TCS method. And I tend to just basically do the whole thing where it's top corner sides, all right? So I'm working my way upwards, and I'm cutting everything vertically at this point because I want to maintain that vertical connection. And this is essential, this part, because I want to continue that following the way the hair grows out from the head. And to me, this is the best way to cut the hair without creating any steps or lines or anything in the back of the head. This is where the head naturally rounds out. Every human being, for the most part, has a rounded head. So if you follow that growth pattern, you're going to have a much easier time. So now that I've made that connection, I can now leave the past behind, and I can work my way forwards, cutting horizontally. So this is the TCS, the top corner sides method that I implement when I'm doing hair. This keeps everything so organized, so simple. It's foolproof. If you want those perfect flowing feather type of layering, in my opinion, this is what's made it easiest for me to cut hair. And I've worked on, thousands of clients over the years and thousands of haircuts. And I always, I'm always trying to find an easy way to create haircut shapes. And when you think about it, the hair grows, the top corner sides. It grows and it works its way downwards, the growth pattern, just like gravity. So I'm just following that. And you can even see here, I've changed the head positioning. That's it. I didn't change my body position. I'm not throwing my arm way over the top. I'm not throwing my back way over the top. I'm keeping everything easy for me so I can keep my arms more parallel without making my back uncomfortable. So now as I'm working through the corners and now the true sides, this is where it all basically works into itself, right? This is the true actual sides, the very, very, very bottom on the side of the head. So without while keeping organized and using this method, it's just so much easier for me to create this shape because I'm working my way down from the top and to the corners and to the sides. And I'm doing a little scissor over comb. You don't have to, but I like to do a little scissor over comb on shorter hair just because it just helps keep things a little more balanced. Now I'm doing the very, very front here. Don't forget, you still have to do the front, right? That very length. This is establishing the core length throughout the front here. You don't want to go too short and you don't want to go too long. You want to keep everything fairly balanced. Now this is where I go in and do I call this like the mohawk section, where the checking of everything, where I'm bringing everything to the middle and just checking really for balance. And if you do a good haircut, you probably won't see a lot of hair. However, in that very front area towards the fringe, towards the bangs, that is normal to have a little more hair that needs to come off. That's what makes the hair lay a bit heavier. So by doing that and holding the hair out from the head, not up, out from the head, you will see some additional hair that needs to be cut and layered. And that's what I did there. And that's why that hair was coming off. That helps create a much softer flow. And as you can see, this is coming in very, very nicely. A lot of people think, oh, it's a mannequin. One, this is human hair. And two, cutting a mannequin is actually twice as hard as cutting a human. Even though it's human hair, if you can make a mannequin look this good, then you should be able to make, a human look 3 times as good. Mannequin heads are very, very difficult. I'm using my favorite vent brush of all time, the anti-static vent brush, which is available. I used my blow dryer, and now I'm using my Locked XL hairspray, which is kind of like a medium hold hairspray. It's got the most incredible shine, in my opinion. Smell. I'm sorry, not shine, smell. It does give just kind of like a natural finish, natural shine, but the smell on this is just unbelievable. So I'm using this with my carbon comb, and you can see the finished result. Very, very nice, clean, flowing, feathered, layered haircut. Let me know in the comments below if you are wearing a haircut like this, if you like this haircut. I know a lot of you like this, and this is something you had many years ago, but it's an awesome haircut, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Check out the products below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.